Parts of Indiana picking up on lake effect snow last night. That's a shot from Cloud Chaser's Facebook page. And yeah, for Indiana, it's been kind of a weird season, Kristen. They haven't seen a lot of cold just yet. In fact, some places have not seen sub-zero since back in 2011.
A lot of people would consider that a good thing.
A lot of people would, yes.
I mean, who wants to see sub-zero numbers? I mean, geez.
You're a fan of really cold weather, which I suppose there's a small fraction of percent that is. But
not this girl. Definitely not.
All right, welcome back here to Weather Nation. We've got your top stories here coming up right now, and here's Kristen.
All right, so we're going to touch upon the fact that, yes, we've had snow in the Great Lakes and more snow out west. We'll have the latest numbers coming up. And Puget Sound rain. Here it is, the Pacific Northwest getting geared up for yet another rainstorm and start to thaw. And we're talking a cold wave that was in place earlier this week, and things are looking a little warmer later on. We have the numbers as well coming up in the forecast. So downtown Minneapolis, you know, our studios are outside the Twin Cities, and it was slow going again today, Rob. I was actually surprised. The snow fell on Sunday, and here it is Tuesday, and it's still very rough on the roads.
Yeah, we've almost taken a step back to the 1940s when we used to have washboard gravel roads. It kind of feels like that around the Twin Cities. By the way, we opened about 2 new hockey rinks around the Minneapolis-St. Paul area that's called 694 and 494, just in case you wonder. Yeah, rush hour last night took up many people that I know at least about 3.5 to 4 hours to get home, and that's driving just 20 miles. It was terrible. Tonight, a little bit better, maybe that commute time cut in half, but still a new round of fresh snow going across the areas around the Mayo Clinic down in Rochester. That now headed right towards Milwaukee. We got to dig into Milwaukee a little bit. They might have ended that snow rut last night. There was a forecast for some snow around 1 to 2 in the morning. Check out Saskatchewan. That's another clipper, and it's going to cruise along the Minnesota border. Keep the snow flurries going tonight for southern Manitoba, southern areas of Saskatchewan. We're talking lake effect snows up here in the UP. Parts of the area may see anywhere from 3 to 8 inches of snow, and the winds with that as well. Traveling tomorrow, improvements in Marquette, Milwaukee, temps in the 20s to low 40s, even 30s in Minneapolis. Roads will improve, and sunshine down south, St. Louis at around 48 degrees. It looks a little more winter-like out in the west, and some fresh powder could head out to Utah this weekend.
Yeah, it looks great on the slopes. I can't wait to get my skis on. I have yet to go skiing this season. Looking at the northwest, here comes the snow in the Intermountain West, and we have that coastal rain, all from our latest front to impact the western states, and this as far reaches as far south as Southern California. So Los Angeles, by Thursday morning, you're going to be seeing some rain in your area, and even Interstate 5 could have some snow as low as 4,500 feet for a time Thursday morning. So that's a fairly low elevation, and Interstate 5 will be impacted by snow late this week. All right, winter weather. Let's focus in on Spokane, Missoula, where we have numerous advisories and warnings in effect, as much as 5 inches along Interstate 90. This goes through tomorrow afternoon. And here it is. Deer Park, 3.7. Stampede Pass, closing in on 2 inches of snow. The higher elevations picking up as much as 6 to 9 inches likely. Now, widespread snow expected here in the southwest Wednesday night. This goes through Thursday. The Sierra Nevada mountain range down into the San Bernardino Mountains under a winter storm advisory, winter storm warning. Now, snow levels could drop below 4,500 feet, and we could see several inches of snow that low. So this is a very cold, wet system moving on in here, and we'll see that snow really crank out for Nevada by Thursday afternoon. The rain will be in place for Los Angeles, San Diego, even Las Vegas throughout the end of the week. And tomorrow will be cooler, that's for sure. 39 in Reno, partly sunny, but here comes the clouds and the rain for San Francisco, Los Angeles. Warming things up in Denver today. You might have been stuck in the 30s, but mid-50s expected for the afternoon tomorrow. All right, as we look across the country, Rob, we're looking at our one particular model that shows future snow on the ground.
Yeah, this is a product produced by the good folks over in Europe. It is the forecast for where there'll be snow on the ground by December the 23rd. And you can see many areas that picked up on the snow, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Yep, that's a locked-in, done deal. It does show some anomaly here that snow could be around the Boot Heel, Missouri. Also some snow, of course, in the northeast, but that's pretty close to Albany and also up across Boston. We'll see how that pans out, but of course the mountainous west, very likely. This is kind of a new product. I have not seen this before, and this came out today. A forecast made based on Siberia's snow cover. The more snow they have, the colder it tends to be in the eastern U.S. Matter of fact, the forecast is, according to this model, 5 to 10 degree temperatures below normal throughout the winter over much of the eastern 2/3 of the country. Sure hope it's not right unless you love cold weather in the east. There's your highs tomorrow. We'll be right back.